Ladies and gentlemen, have you ever wondered how the most successful entrepreneurs manage to scale their businesses without burning out or losing focus? The answer lies in leveraging the power of offshore outsourcing and hiring virtual assistants. If you're constantly running back and forth, struggling to juggle your business responsibilities, it's time to change your approach. Imagine this: while you focus on big ideas and long-term strategies, your virtual assistant is handling everything from administrative tasks to email management. With a reliable VA on your team, you can reduce your workload by up to 70%, giving you more time to grow your business and, more importantly, enjoy life outside of work. At Best Remote Workers, we provide access to a vast talent pool of highly skilled virtual assistants ready to step in and support you. These VAs act as an extension of your team, helping you achieve your goals without the geographical limitations. And with services from My Virtual Talent, you can be assured that your VA is not just a remote worker, they're a true partner in your journey toward success. By hiring a VA, you can take back control of your time. Whether it's spending more time with your family, brainstorming new business strategies, or focusing on tasks only you can do, your VA is there to lighten the load. So, why wait? Let's build your brand together. Contact us today at mobile phone WhatsApp, +1 9153 498858. Email, customer@bestremoteworkers.com. Globe with Meridians, visit www.bestremoteworkers.com.